Hello, in this video, we will learn how to add music to Instagram after the latest update. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram application. Then, tap on the share icon. Here, you will see your own photos. Choose a photo from your gallery. Next, click on this arrow on the right. As you can see, there is an icon for adding music at the top. Click on it. You will see a variety of great songs. You can listen to the song by tapping on the play icon. If you know the name of the song, you can search for it here. I will search for a calm tune. And click on it. Now, I will search for the specific part of the song I want. Then, click on Done. Click on the arrow on the right. Write a caption for the post and click on the arrow on the right again. As you can see, the post is being shared now. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you later!